Thanks for calling. Calls are recorded for quality. Hi, Mark. Welcome back. My name is Brooke. What can I do for you today?
I need inspection.
Sure. One moment. And to confirm, are you bringing it in for a state inspection, emissions testing, or a multi-point inspection?
State inspection.
Got it. This is for your 2024 Toyota Tundra, right?
Yes.
Thanks. What's the approximate mileage on your Tundra? It's okay if you don't know it.
I don't know it.
Got it. Before I book that, I see your Tundra is due for mileage-based maintenance. Would you like to book the maintenance package?
Yes.
Give me just a moment to see what's available. One more question before we schedule your service. Are you going to drop off your vehicle or wait for it?
Wait for it.
Great. You can make yourself at home in our waiting room with free Wi-Fi and coffee. The first available appointment is today at 11:15 a.m. Feel free to take that one or tell me when you'd like to bring it in.
Saturday.
Let me check that for you. On Saturday, September 21st, I have openings at 7:15 a.m., 8:15 a.m., and 3:45 p.m. Does one of those work?
7:15 a.m.
Great. Let me get that appointment booked for you. You're all set for Saturday, September 21st at 7:15 a.m. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No.
Got it. Thanks for calling. Have a great day.